Given problem, find two consecutive integers whose sum is equal to 129. So, pag sinabi consecutive, ibig sabihin yan, magkasunod. Bale, dalawang number ang kailangan natin. Ang unang number, isabihin natin x. Anong pangalawang number is x plus 1. Kasi nga magkasunod. And then, ang ating equation, sum is equal to 129. X plus 1, which is the second number, is equal to 129. Pag-plusin natin ang equation, simplify, 2x plus 1 is equal to 129. Lipat natin yung 1 sa kabilang side. Bale, may iba ang kanyang sign. Kung positive siya, magiging minus dito sa kabila. 129 minus 1. 129 minus 1 is equal to 128. 2x 128. The value of x will be 64. Ang value pa ng isa, x plus 1 is 65. So, this is the two consecutive integers. Now, sum is 129. Another example, find three consecutive integers whose sum is equal to 366. 3 consecutive, magkasunod ulit. First number is x. Second number is x plus 1. Syempre, x plus 2 na yung pangatlo. Magkakasunod siya na number. Equation natin, plus x plus 2, which is 366 yung sum nila. And then, x plus x plus x is equal to 3x. Plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Siyempre, lilipat ulit natin sa kabilang side. May iba ng 366 minus 3. Minus na siya kasi positive siya dito. 3x minus 366 minus 3 is 363. The value of x will be 121. So, ano yung tatlong number na yun? X will be 121. X plus 1 will be 122. X plus 2 is equal to 123. This is the 3 consecutive integers na ang sum is 366. Thank you.